અને લાર્જ કર દો.
બુધવારના દિવસે આપણે સિરીઝ એટલે કે કુકરમ બનાવી એમને કોષ્ટિકમ અને આજે ચેલિડોનિયમ બરાબર અને એક્સક્લુઝિવ ચેલિડોનિયમ કોર્સ છે એ બધું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન કર્યું છે અને આપણે નવો સારો એવો મળતો રહે એવી આપણે હર ટાઈમ સર પાસેથી જિજ્ઞાસા રાખીએ છીએ. જિજ્ઞેશભાઈ બાજુમાં બેસાડીને સમજીએ ચેલિડોનિયમ અને લાસ્ટ સર તમારી કોષ્ટિકમ જે તમે ભણાવ્યું એ આપણે પાછું રિપીટ સર કરાવશે જોશું એમનું જે કોડ હતું શું હતું કોડ એમનો આઉટસાઇડ બરાબર મેઇન એ તો એના કારણે સોરી સાયકોટિક અને સિક્રેટિક બિહેવિયર અને રિગાર્ડિંગ બધું આજે ચેલિડોનિયમ વિથ કેસ રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરે છે.
The voice. Hello, voice is clear now. Okay, done. Good afternoon all. Jai Productive. So today we will learn the remedy chelidonium. Before that we will revise the causticum. So the main point of the causticum, first point is main sensitivity. That sensitivity is the injustice cannot tolerate, and behind that perception of the causticum is the outside, everything is the danger. Okay, only 2 points to remaining the reminder for the causticum. And cuprum has a cramps inside. Second thing,
sensitive
postal position concern
fear of being attacked.
and fear of being attacked. So cuprum has a theme of attack, defense and performance. Okay, so today we will learn the causticum. Chelidonium, sorry. Slide બરાબર આવે છે? Okay, done. Just one slide change નથી. So with the blessing of Master Samuel Hahnemann, with the blessing of our Guru Dr. Praful Vijaykar sir, and with the blessing of my all seniors, doctors, colleagues, and today the Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh ji is for the lifesaver. So today we will learn the remedy of the lifesaver remedy is the chelidonium. So chelidonium measures. Chelidonium measures. The crux of that remedy is the oppressed soul. Only remaining one word. Only एक words. That word is the oppressed soul. If you understand this word, you will understand the chelidonium measures. The one keyword is the oppressed soul. So first we will see what is the meaning of oppressed soul. So oppressed soul is the feels weighed down by the emotional or the psychological burden. experience the suppression of the self-expression, unable to speak or act freely. Then he goes into the sense of guilt, shame, or the fear that clouds in the inner world. So may live in the submissive role, constantly seeking the validation or the support, struggle with decision making, feeling stuck or the powerless. This is the state is not just a sadness, but even the spiritual heaviness, as if the soul itself is crying out for the relief, freedom, or the transformation. So, one rubric is the anxiety conscience of unpardonable sin, feels he has done the and will be eternally lost. So, this is the theme of the Chelidonium. One person is feeling so much oppressed by either emotional or the psychological burden or the responsibility. So, because of that burden, Chelidonium cannot be express himself correctly, and then he travel to goes into the guilt, shame, or the fear in the inner side, and then goes into the submissive role. Then he goes into the constant validation or the support. So, first feeling of the oppressed, then he is unable to express, then he goes into the guilt, and then he goes into the validation or the powerless feeling. That is the journey of the Chelidonium. Now you can see the Chelidonium goes into the sadness stage, goes into the autoimmune stage, constant validation. When you need to the constant validation about the something, that is the confusion of identity. In first picture, we see the Chelidonium flower. Chelidonium flower is the yellowish color. Itself, it suggests the yellowishness. So, Chelidonium has a major role in the liver and the portal system. सो अगर आपने इस चीज को बराबर समझ लिया कि व्हाट इज द ऑपरेस सॉल एंड हाउ ही गोज इनटू द ऑटोइम्यूनिटी, you will never forget the chelidonium. So chelidonium is not just a liver remedy, but liver chelidonium is a one kind of the autoimmune remedy also. So how the journey, so we will see in the later ki how chelidonium will be journey of the from the oppress to the autoimmunity. So, what are the thoughts and the word of the patient of the chelidonium? Chelidonium आपके क्लिनिक में आएगा तो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट होगा? सो चेलिडोनियम पेशेंट बोलेगा सर मैं ये सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लेके अभी थक गया हूं. नाउ आई एम अनेबल टू हैंडल दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सर मैं खुल के नहीं जी पा रही हूं. आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू बी माई सेल्फ. आई हैव रूइंड एवरीथिंग. सर मैंने अपनी जिंदगी अपने हाथ से पूरी बिगाड़ दी. आई विल नेवर बी फॉरगिवन बाय द गॉड. आई वॉन्ट टू एस्केप बट आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एस्केप. सर मुझे ये जो पूरी झंझट है ना, पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बर्डन, ये सब चीजों से मुझे रिलीज होना है, बट आई एम अनेबल टू रिलीज. आई वॉन्ट टू एस्केप बट आई डोंट नो हाउ. So till you all are the understand how the chelidonium is a oppressed soul. The words of the chelidonium, सर अभी जो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आई फील लाइक अ बर्डन. उसकी वजह से आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू बी माई सेल्फ. आई हैव रूइंड एवरीथिंग. आई विल नेवर बी फॉरगिवन. I want to escape, but I don't know how. So there are the rubrics: mind, despair, helpless. मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, उसकी वजह से ना उम्मीदी में जाना, दैट इज द डिस्पेयर, हेल्पलेसनेस। सेकंड वर्ड पेशेंट की, सर ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये सारी चीजों अभी मेरे से हैंडल नहीं होती है, दैट इज द हैंडल थिंग्स कैन नॉट एनी मोर, ओवरवेल्म बाय द स्ट्रेस। So that one image, I put the one image, trapped in duty, trapped in the responsibility, trapped in the burden, and always desire for to longing for the release. I want to release from that duty. I want to release from that trap. I want to release from that burden, but I'm unable to do. So Chelidonium comes from the Papaver family. So that Papaver family is the main feeling of the pain, extreme pain. So that extreme pain on the mental level, emotional level, or the physical level. But each and every remedy of the Papaver family's expression is the different. How it is different, we will see in the later slide. So chelidonium is the main theme is being stuck in the position of pain. चेलिडोनियम का जो पेन है ना, वो बर्डन है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, दैट इज द पेन ऑफ चेलिडोनियम। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पेन ही गोज इन टू द हेल्पलेसनेस, and then he going wanting to escape into the dreamlike or the altered state. So what is the experience, what is the expression of the chelidonium? Chelidonium feel oppressed, feeling of the trap, feeling of the torture, feeling of the persecuted, feeling of the force. That is the word of the chelidonium. Key word of the chelidonium is the torture, trap, force, oppression, handles things cannot anymore. That is the word of the chelidonium. And I want to release from that. I want to relief from that. So chelidonium has one word for the chelidonium is the caretaker. केयरटेकर क्या करता है? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैंडल करता है, इट इज द ओवरबर्डन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। थक जाता है, फिर भी उसको वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हैंडल करना पड़ता है, दैट इज द स्टेज ऑफ चेलिडोनियम। So because of responsibility, because of the overburden, because of the tiredness, he goes into the laziness and exhausted stage. He feels कि अगर मुझे किसी का सपोर्ट मिल जाए, कोई मेरी केयर करे, so wants others to take care of them. So one rubric is the carried desire to be. The remedy is chelidonium. Why carried desire to be? Because person feel I'm too tired to move. I cannot take this anymore. So chelidonium as if forced to work or bear the responsibility is unwillingly. मुझे ये नहीं करना है, फिर भी मुझे करना पड़ रहा है। Now that is the burden, that is the oppress, which is the directly linked to the liver pathology. Till clear everyone? Online any query? All clear? Okay. Slide. So the heaviness of the liver is like a responsibility of the life. The pressure of duty is experienced the mentally as a torture or the oppression. So I took the keyword of the chelidonium is the oppression. आपको क्लिनिक में एक ही चीज देखना है कि जो इंसान है वो पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, पूरी चीजों की वजह से, टॉर्चर, ये सारी चीजों की वजह से अभी वो परेशान हो गया। अभी उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे ये सबसे निकलना है। दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ द चेलिडोनियम पेशेंट। सिर्फ उतना ही ढूंढना है। जो हम हमेशा हेल्पलेस रूब्रिक उठाते हैं ना, पेशेंट बोलता है मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, बट उसके पीछे का जो परसेप्शन है, दैट परसेप्शन इज द टॉर्चर, perception is the persecution, perception that is the oppression, perception is the handle things cannot anymore, desire for relief at any cost. So that's the reason chelidonium patient has a constant need to be held, support, or even to carry desire. And then he goes into the psychosyphilitic stage, can become the demanding or dependent, lamenting about his complaint. Why lamenting about his complaint? कि अगर कोई आके उसको सपोर्ट करे, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, उसका बर्डन बर्डन है, उसको शेयर कर ले। So, theme about that inner experience of the oppression is by the trap, torture, and longing for the release of relief. So, delusion, imagination, persecuted is remedy is the chelidonium. We always persecution जब भी आता है तो हम सोचते हैं हायोस, persecution आता है तो हम सोचते हैं पल्सेटिला, persecution आता है तो हम सोचते हैं साइक्लामेन. But chelidonium is the main thematic remedy of that persecution. That is the one part of oppressed soul. Now the second part of the chelidonium. That second part of the chelidonium is anxiety. I reached to the anxiety of chelidonium by one of the my case is not solving from so many times. So one day accidentally I prescribed the chelidonium that patient, but how that I don't know till date. But after the chelidonium, his anxiety is totally over. And after that, I start the reading chelidonium from the different book, and I found the anxiety part of the chelidonium is a very marked.
System बोल रही हूँ चलेगा
So that second part of the anxiety, chelidonium का जो main feeling है, that is I want to release. हाँ? So physically कैसे दिखता है? When the chelidonium patient in the anxiety, he start the tearing cloth from the neck and the chest. That is the release. हाँ? So how the body and mind connecting? So I want to release from the trap. How that is the connecting to on the body level also. So rising in the anxiety and tearing cloth from the neck and chest. That is the feeling of relief. This type of sudden violent anxiety with desire to tear the cloth is often associated with the desperate need for the air, feeling of suffocated, on an urge to escape from the one's body. Now you can connect what are the mind level releasing on the body level also. hypochondriasis with lethargy, drowsiness, and debility. That is the key word of anxiety of chelidonium. When in so many patients of the hypochondriacal anxiety, I prescribe the chelidonium and I get a very good result. पेशेंट्स वर्ड इज सर मुझे समझ नहीं आता मुझे क्या हो रहा है, पता नहीं कुछ अंदर से कुछ हो रहा है, अनइजीनेस लग रहा है, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है वो मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा है, बस मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं सो ही रही. And with that, he feeling the constant weakness. We always think hypochondriacal anxiety, आर्सेनिक हम सोचते हैं, हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियाकल एंजाइटी आए तो हम काली सोचते हैं, लेकिन we never think about the chelidonium. But in so many anxiety cases, I have a very good result with chelidonium. That is the anguishness of the chelidonium. This phase is the anguishness of the chelidonium. So there are the many rubrics which are the very marked in the chelidonium, especially in anxiety. Mind anxiety aggravation, ailments from the mental and emotional consequence. Anxiety with weakness. Anxiety in the heart region with palpitation. Exaggerated anxiety. What is the exaggerated anxiety? Normal anxiety, each and every person, हर एक में होता है, लेकिन वो एंजाइटी आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाता है. हाँ, जो एम्पलीफायर होता है ना, जैसे एम्पलीफायर को हम वॉल्यूम बढ़ाते हैं, that is the amplification of the sura. So anxiety is basically sura, but when he goes into the amplified, जैसे एक मदर है उसको बच्चों को लेकर एंजाइटी होना, that is the common, but that anxiety goes into the out of control, that is the anxiety exaggerated. Anxiety health about the choleric bilious, only the remedy is the chelidonium. जो गैस्ट्रिक वाले पेशेंट है, एसिडिटी वाले पेशेंट जो बोलते हैं कि सर घबराहट होता है, सही नहीं लग रहा है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, कुछ मुझे हार्ट अटैक तो नहीं है ना, that is the only remedy is the chelidonium. Anxiety about the health, that one has the ruin on health. Anxiety about the salvation, which is the syphilitic autoimmune anxiety of the chelidonium. Anxiety sudden paroxysmal with palpitation. Anxiety tremulous. Mind delusion, imagination, disease has a incurable. Remedy is chelidonium. Mind restlessness, nervousness, anxious, rest has a not an at any employment. Only the remedy is chelidonium. So that is the depth of the chelidonium. That is the anxiety of the chelidonium. Whenever we think about the anxiety arsenic, whenever we think about the lycopodium in anxiety, that time think about the chelidonium. Till clear?
Yes.
Think that disease ruin his health. So sad mood, fear that she has ruined her health. Sadness even to weeping, and the despair about the present and future. Extremely depressed, full of the sad thought about the present and future. It's again the part of the anxiety, again the part of the sadness. Fretful, depressed, anxious as if I had committed some evil. Restlessness and uneasiness of the conscience feels that she had committed unpardonable sin and that she will be eternally lost. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने जो किया वो गलत है, वो माफी के लायक नहीं है और यहाँ से जो मेरा साल्वेशन है विल बी अ लॉस्ट. Anger, vexation about the every trifles and has a violent attack of the passionate outburst of the temper. So now we will learn next the sensation and the reaction of the Papaveracea family. Chelidonium, opium and sanguinaria. Three remedies have a pain, stuck feeling, overburden, oppress. But the reaction or the response of the each and every remedy is different. So chelidonium sensation about the overburden, oppress, choke by internal stagnation, especially the liver. So how he will responds? Chelidonium responds by the sluggishness, irritability, drowsiness, and need purging bile emotions. Need purging. Next, between the same family medicine like opium and sanguinaria, opium has the same burden, torture, tormented, so much painfulness. How it responds? ओपियम ज्यादातर हम कहाँ देते हैं? कोमा पेशेंट में. हाँ, सो व्हाट इज द कोमा स्टेज? Coma stage means absolute shutdown of the perception and function. I don't want to feel that pain. I don't want to feel that torture. So opium is trying to shut down himself. That is the escapism of the opium. जो फीलिंग ऑफ पेन है ना, जो फीलिंग ऑफ पेन का जो रिएक्शन है, दैट नाउ मैंने बहुत पेन सहन कर लिया, नाउ आई एम अनेबल टू टॉलरेट दैट पेन, आई एम अनेबल टू टॉलरेट दैट ऑपरेस. नाउ ही गोज इनटू द शटडाउन. सो ओपियम पेशेंट गोज इनटू द comatose, coma. That is the state of the unconsciousness without the suffering, deep sleep, no pain. That is the reaction of the opium. Carefree or a bliss out despite of the serious pathology. That is the state of the coma. सो चेलिडोनियम है, उससे वो पेन टॉलरेट नहीं होता है, वो बर्डन टॉलरेट नहीं होता. देन ही गोज इनटू द स्लगिशनेस, स्टेसिस, ड्राउजीनेस, अनइजीनेस, एंग्जाइटी. ओपियम वो पेन टॉलरेट नहीं हो रहा है, वो टॉर्चर नहीं फील हो रहा है, टॉर्चर टॉलरेट नहीं हो रहा है, चीजें हैंडल नहीं हो रहा है. सो ही ट्राइंग टू नम हिमसेल्फ. So he go into the shutdown of the perception and the function. In sanguinaria, that sanguinaria is the sensation about the sudden rush of the blood, burning, pressing upwards the congestion. So जो प्रेशर है ना, वो प्रेशर रिलीज करता है into the upward direction. तो sanguinaria feels the so much congestion, so much burning, so much the rush of the blood on the chest and head. We always think about the only belladonna, but that is the sudden rush of the blood, burning, pressing upwards, congestion going into the upwards. सो जो रिलीज, जो प्रेशर जो रिलीज कर रहा है ना, वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. सो ऑलवेज द चेस्ट एंड द हेड इज द अफेक्टेड. Sanguine area is very typical keynote is the right-sided congestive headache, better from the vomiting or the sleep.
Okay.
Clear? Online, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now the chelidonium and lyco, very similar remedy. Both have a affinity on the right side. Chelidonium has all affinity on the right side. Right orbital neuralgia, right-sided chest pain, especially the right lung of the lower lobe, right lung of the lower lobe, especially right side at the scrotum, right side at the testes, right extremities, liver, all the complaint on the right sided. Very similar modality to the lycopodium. Lycopodium has a 4 p.m. aggravation. Similarly, chelidonium has a 4 p.m. aggravation. Lycopodium has a desire for the hot food. Same chelidonium has a desire for the hot food. So lycopodium also affect on the liver. Chelidonium has also the affection of the liver. So how we will differentiate that the lycopodium and the chelidonium? So chelidonium is the less intellectual than the lycopodium. Aversion to the mental exertion than the lyco. But chelidonium is the more practical. Lycopodium is the more emotional. डूबे में एक सिम्टम्स आता है ना, जब भी लाइकोपोडियम को थैंक बोलो तो उसके आंख से आंसू आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. That is the sensitivity of the lycopodium. But chelidonium is the more practical. How more practical? Very down to earth, very rational, very realistic, strong minded, having doubt, not easily convinced with physical proof. That is the one word I miss, skeptical. Chelidonium is the skeptical. Skeptical means संकी. वो कभी भी विदाउट फिजिकल प्रूफ वो नहीं कन्विंस होगा. आपने मेडिसिन दिया, जब तक वो एक्सरे में उसको इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं दिखेगा ना, he will not the convince. So chelidonium will never convince without the physical proof. He wants always the physical proof. आपने मेडिसिन दिया, वो रिपोर्ट सामने से करवाएगा. जब तक रिपोर्ट में उसको इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं दिखेगा, he will not convince. Very dominating, but more than the lyco. So dominating is the lyco and chelidonium both. But lycopodium dominant only in the home. लाइकोपोडियम घर का राजा, वो घर में किंग होगा, घर का राजा होगा, घर के लोगों को डोमिनेट करेगा. जो उससे इंफीरियर है उससे डोमिनेट करेगा. बट चेलिडोनियम डोमिनेंट आउटसाइड एट होम ऑल्सो. ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी श्योर अबाउट द हेल्थ. उसको रीडिंग से मतलब है, उसको सिर्फ रीडिंग चाहिए. अगर थायराइड 7 है, वो 7 से 4 आना चाहिए, उसको वो रीडिंग से मतलब है. उसको फिजिकल प्रूफ चाहिए. Lycopodium has also desire for the warm food, but chelidonium is the desire for the hot food. Desire for very hot drinks, unless almost boiling the stomach. will not retain them. वो स्टमक को बॉयल करते हैं, उतना हॉट उसका डिजायर है चेलिडोनियम. क्लियर लाइकोपोडियम एंड चेलिडोनियम डिफरेंस? क्लियर? So now till the keyword of the chelidonium is the oppress, sol, tormented, persecuted, torture, huh? Trapped, helplessness, handle things cannot anymore, and I want to release from them. Till clear? Okay. So now the physical part. Physical part of the chelidonium. In first picture we see the yellow flower. Huh? So chelidonium is the prominent the liver remedy. Any kind of the liver pathology, chelidonium can the cure. Symptoms of the inflammation of the jaundice, disturb the function of the bowel and the kidney and the sympathetic affection of the right lung, in specially right lung, middle of the lower lobe affection is the chelidonium. Bilious diathesis. What is the bilious diathesis? In day-to-day OPD, so many patient, सर मेरी पित्त वाली प्रकृति है, मुझे पित्त आता है, कुछ भी खाती हूँ पित्त बनता है, सर दर्द होता है तो बोलते हैं कि वो पित्त की वजह से है. That is the bilious diathesis. पित्त आना. हाँ. Even जो split आता है ना, that is also the split is also the containing the bile. Faintness on the undressing. Faintness on the undressing is an indication of the vasovagal nerve affection. Huh? Before that I saw na the chelidonium is the main remedy about the anxiety. So faintness on the undressing, that is the affection of the vasovagal nerve. So जितने भी एंजाइटी वाले हैं, वासोवेगल नर्व वाले हैं, वो चेलिडोनियम में आएगा. वेरी मार्क रेमेडी. अगर कोई भी पेशेंट स्पेशली द इंफीरियर एंगल ऑफ द राइट स्केप्यूला, ये वाला इमेज है ना, कभी नहीं भूलना है. चेलिडोनियम में अगर ये पेन है तो चेलिडोनियम है ही. I have the one patient of the kidney stone, but patient has a very marked affection of the pain under the right lower lobe of inferior angle of the right scapula, and I prescribe the chelidonium. That is the very marked the physical symptoms of the chelidonium. In any pathology, any kind of pathology, either hepatitis, either liver pathology, either lungs pathology, अगर इंफीरियर एंगल ऑफ द राइट स्केपुला में पेन है तो वो चेलिडोनियम है. That is very marked symptoms. And that pain, ये पेन कहाँ से आता है, कौन से नर्व को स्टिमुलेट करता है? That is the stimulation of the phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve C3 to C5 and the thoracic nerve. एंड जब हिपेटोमेगाली जो होता है ना, जो हिपेटोमेगाली स्पेशली इन ट्रांसवर्स पोजीशन, ये जो ट्रांसफर पोजीशन में जब हिपेटोमेगाली जब होता है, दैट टाइम दैट रेडिएटिंग पेन ऑन द इंफीरियर एंगल ऑफ द राइट स्केप्यूला. ओके डन, क्लियर. ये फिजिकल को नहीं भूलना है. ऑपरेस सॉल्व और ये चीज, दो चीज अगर दिमाग में है तो चेलिडोनियम आपके दिमाग में हमेशा रहेगी. Wandering and stitching pain in the all parts, that is the wandering. pain. Constipation, stool hard, round balls like a sheep dung and floating into the water. चेलिडोनियम का जो स्टूल होगा वो वाटर में फ्लोट करता रहेगा लाइक अ फ्लोरिक एसिड. So how will you connect in the mental level? That is the buoyancy. Chelidonium want to freedom, so that is the floating. And fluoric acid stool is the floating in the water because is the buoyancy. That is the directly correlation on the mental level. That is the tips from the Jitesh sir. Yellow tongue with imprinted teeth. Very hot drinks relieve the nausea and vomiting. Second physical mark symptoms is the icy coldness of the occiput from the nape of neck. Occiput from the nape of neck. कैंथरिस होगा ना तो कैंथरिस को क्या होगा कि उसको पीछे से कोई ठंडे हाथ से उसको पकड़ रहा है. हाँ, that is the canthari's. And chelidonium has a icy coldness from the occiput to the nape of the neck. Cervicobrachial neuralgia. So many patient has a complaint, sir यहाँ से पेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है and that pains is radiating on shoulder. So many patient has a complaint of the cervical brachial neuralgia. Huh? Why this pain is come in the chelidonium? That we show na the handle things cannot anymore overwhelmed by the stress. Responsibility is the burden. So what is that cervical and shoulder? That is the responsibility. That is the cervicobrachial neuralgia. Semi-chronic gastritis with jaundice. Gastroduodenal catheter. Any kind of the liver pathology with scrotum itching is the chelidonium, which is the tips from the Dr. Nirav from the Rajkot. So clear about the chelidonium? Online, everyone is clear? So we will further ahead the case. So I have the one case, patient age about the 55 years, female, has a chief complaint about the acidity, burning behind the sternum region since 12 to 13 years. But it was the increase so much since the last 1 year. With this complaint, patient has a continuous the both shoulder pain and that pain started from the nape of the neck to the shoulder. Third thing, patient always feel uneasiness. Patient के word feeling the uneasiness, tired feeling. पेट में कुछ हो रहा है सर, पता नहीं चल रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या हो रहा है. दैट इज द फीलिंग ऑफ अनइजीनेस. एंड सर कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिव फील होता है, कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता है. दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ द पेशेंट. अगर किसी को कैंसर हुआ देख लिया तो मैं उसके सिम्टम्स मेरे सिम्टम्स के साथ मैच करती हूँ. किसी को अल्सर हुआ सुना तो उसके बाद में वो सिम्टम्स को मैच करती हूँ कि मेरे को तो वो नहीं है. एंड दैट अनइजीनेस is the start. So that is not about the only case of the acidity, but case of the anxiety neurosis with neuralgia. So I asked the patient life history. In childhood, easily mixed with others, study wise is very good, study by own, grasping power is the good, healthy body built up in the childhood, no any major incident or the trauma in the childhood, marriage on the 17 years of age, willingly done. After marriage history, mother-in-law was very strict, very restricted feeling. लोगों को बाहर जाके देखती थी तो ऐसा लगता था फ्रीडम नहीं है, हर छोटी बातों पे टोकते रहना, उनके हिसाब से सब करना पड़ता था। वो मेरी एक लाइफ जर्नी ऐसी हो गई थी, सुबह उठो, काम करो, ये संभालो, सारे बर्डन मेरे पे डाल देते थे। घर में मेड थी, फिर भी सारा काम मुझे करना पड़ता था, फीलिंग बर्डन कि मुझे क्यों करना पड़ रहा है। आफ्टर कमिंग डॉटर इन लॉ, not good terms with the daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law not listening of anyone. She is doing her office work and not doing help in the household work. Not taking even the responsibility of her husband and son also. Patient's reaction, सर पहले सास परेशान करती थी, अब डॉटर इन लॉ ने परेशान करना शुरू किया है। पहले भी मुझे ही सारा चीज संभालना पड़ता था और अभी भी मुझे ही सारा चीज संभालना पड़ रहा है। अब मैं ये संभाल संभाल के थक गई हूँ। पहले सास ने एंड अब डॉटर इन लॉ ने परेशान करके रख दिया है। ऐसे लगता है कि अब मेरे से संभाला नहीं जाता है। अब मेरी भी उम्र हो गई है एंड इसकी वजह से ही गुस्सा रहता है। इन दोनों ने मेरी जिंदगी नर्क बना के रख दी है। दैट इज द वर्ड ऑफ पेशेंट। तो क्या होता है कि स्टार्टिंग में हम बहुत सारे डिल्यूजन और ये सब सीखते हैं ना, तो माइंड और बॉडी को कोरिलेट करने की जगह जो डिल्यूजन नया सीखा है उसके बेस पे हम दे देते हैं। सो आई गिव द रेमेडी डिल्यूजन ही इज इन हेल एंड आई गिव प्रिस्क्राइब द रेमेडी इज द मर्क। हाँ, after the murk, patient said, "Sir, I am not feeling the good." So I retook the case and patient said कि सर मुझे आगरा जाना है, लेकिन यहाँ मुझे बच्चे की टेंशन रहती है, जिसकी वजह से मुझे जैसे भी आगरा जाने का नाम सुनती हूँ तो मुझे अनइजीनेस फील होता है कि मेरा बच्चा क्या करेगा, उसको कौन खाना खिलाएगा। सो पोपट की जान तोते में, आई गिव द रेमेडी कैम्फोर। आफ्टर द कैम्फोर पेशेंट गोज इनटू द मोर एंजाइटी। पेशेंट फील कि सर मेरे पेट में से कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है और यहाँ से कुछ ऐसी आवाज, यहाँ से कुछ निकल के मेरे ब्रेन में जा रहा है एंड आई फील लाइक कि मुझे अनइजीनेस फील होता है। तो हायोसाइमस की एक लाइन है, दैट डायबोलिकली फेस क्राउड अपॉन द हेड एंड आई प्रिस्क्राइब द हायोसाइमस, बट पेशेंट नॉट बेटर। Then I connect कि what is the first symptoms of that case. That first symptoms of that case is the acidity, burning in the sternum, and the pain in the shoulder. Huh? So I ask the patient कि कौन सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, एंड देन आई गॉट दिस हिस्ट्री कि सर पूरी जिंदगी पहले सास ने परेशान किया, अभी डॉटर इन लॉ परेशान कर रही है एंड अभी मुझे लगता है कि अभी मुझे से ये हैंडल नहीं होता है। देन आई टूक द हैंडल थिंग्स कैन नॉट एनी मोर एंड डिल्यूजन परसिक्यूटेड ही इज एंड आई गिव द रेमेडी इज द चेलिडोनियम 200। After the chelidonium, patient is completely better. Patient never feel the uneasiness. Patient words कि मेरी पुरानी जिंदगी वापस आ गई। That is the case of chelidonium. Second case about the chelidonium, I am very thankful to Dr. Nirav Mansekda sir, who shared the case of the autoimmune hepatitis cured with the chelidonium. That is the first report of the patient. The autoimmunity, anti-nuclear antibody is 1 raised to 1000. That is the strong positive of the autoimmunity. So patient having the complaint of the autoimmune hepatitis since 1 year and is also the known case of the psoriasis. So what is the incident before that autoimmune hepatitis? That her younger sister is not married because that her younger sister is suffering from the some mental disease and she was at the father house and her father side family economical condition was not good. So one day he took the food snacks उसकी जो सिस्टर को पसंद था वो सारी चीजों को लेकर उसके मायके गई for her sister. On that day, after returning to home, on that day, her mother called and said that तुम्हारी भाभी ऐसा बोल रही थी क्या हम लोग इसको खाना नहीं देते क्या जरूरत थी ये सब लाने की तुम ये सब नहीं लाई होती तो अच्छा होता दैट पेशेंट्स मदर पेशेंट की जो मदर है उसने पेशेंट को बोला कि तुम ये सब नहीं लाई होती तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता क्या जरूरत थी पूरी उसकी जो भाभी है वो बोल रही थी कि पूरी जिंदगी तुम खाना खिलाने वाली हो इट इज द वर्ड ऑफ द पेशेंट पेशेंट्स भाभी आफ्टर लिसनिंग दिस वर्ड शी feels so much angry but not able to react उस टाइम ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं क्यों लेके गई गिल्ट फील होता था टेंशन आता था कि ये लोग सिस्टर को परेशान तो नहीं करेंगे ना वो लोग उसको खाना देंगे कि नहीं देंगे मुझ पे गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मैं क्यों लेके गई मुझे नहीं लेके जाना था मुझे लेके जाने की क्या जरूरत थी सो लीवर इज basically a starvation that starvation in the form of the love in the form of the esteem in form of the respect in form of the support so this starvation happen at the love level वो लेके गई थी अपनी सिस्टर के लिए प्यार के भाव से लेकिन वहां से कुछ अलग मिला हाँ वहां से रिस्पॉन्स किया है क्यों लेके आई आप पूरी जिंदगी यही खिलाने वाली थी he feels so much angry and she feels taw at the near and dear ones she feels guilt and reproaches on herself after that her relation with the parent house is also the lost huh? Since 1 year he never goes to the mother house that relation will also broke after that incident so the main perception of that कि मैं क्यों लेके गई मैंने ये जो किया ना वो गलत किया मुझे ये नहीं करना था एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एवरीथिंग इज द डैमेज so after that her relation was stopped at the mother house and she feels guilt why I do this मेरी ही गलती है मैंने ही गलत किया so that anxiety conscience of unpardonable sin feels she has done and will be eternally lost the remedy was the chelidonium and after the chelidonium AN is completely a negative and that is the evidence. So that is the big clap for the Nirav Bhai. So some tips about the related to especially the liver pathology. Liver liver plus skin complaint, the remedy is the dolichos. Yes. Liver plus lung, Cardus.
देखिए टीके लगाने बोल रहा है
Liver plus skin plus heart is the Myrica. No, Myrica.
लाओ जल्दी
Liver plus joint plus skin is the chelidonium. Liver plus gout is the Formica rufa. Okay. So till the feeling of the chelidonium is the oppressed feeling, torture, tormented,
बंद कर
persecution. Huh? Then he goes into
बाद में
the
लगा वो
helplessness,
लेके आ खाना लेके आ फटाफट जल्दी
loss
बोल।
of power. Then he goes into the guilt feeling, huh? Unpardonable sin, submissive. So that is the journey of the chelidonium. Second part of the chelidonium is the anxiety, especially hypochondriacal anxiety with weakness. Prescribe the remedy chelidonium. You will get 100% result. Third, main affection is the liver and portal system. Physical mark is the pain on the inferior angle of the scapula, right scapula. Second very marked is the icy coldness of the neck to the shoulder. Cervical neuralgia. All affection on the right
हरदम
side.
पे पे
Right
पे पे
orbital neuralgia, right-sided pain, right extremity pain, right sided of the middle lobe of the lower lobe affection, the chelidonium. Right sided the scrotum, right sided the testes, all the affection on the right sided. Differentiation point of the Lyco and chelidonium. Chelidonium is the more practical, more realistic, and more skeptical. Skeptical means sunky, शक करने वाला. Never believe without the any proof. And hot drinks. Lyco is a warm desire, and his desire is the hot drinks. More dominating. Lycopodium घर का राजा and chelidonium घर का भी और बाहर का भी राजा. Okay, clear? Same family differentiation. Oppress, pain, burden. Chelidonium जाएगा sluggishness, drowsiness, debility. ओपियम कहाँ जाएगा? ओपियम का रिस्पॉन्स क्या आएगा? स्टूपर, अनकॉन्शियसनेस, कोमा, शट डाउन ऑफ द परसेप्शन, नमनेस. Sanguinaria, upward the congestion from the chest to the head.
बोल
Clear till?
जाने दो ये
Any
बोलना
query?
रहेगा तो
Any doubt? 10 checks. Any question? Huh?
Potency in autoimmune case.
Potency in autoimmune case always be a higher potency. Potency in autoimmune case is always be higher potency. Okay. So next time with remedy we will solve the queries of the others doctors also, because I get so many message कि सर आप मेडिसिन के साथ थोड़ी query भी solve कीजिए. So if you have any query regarding the any doubts, please mail me or the WhatsApp me. We will try to solve in the further lectures also. Okay. So next the remedy is secret. Okay, everyone is clear? So thank you so much everyone to joining us. And today we have 100 participants.
Wow.
What is the
Nature level.
Okay, thank you so much.
सर आप करो शक्ति
मोटा प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाऊं
थैंक यू एवरीवन
Thank you everyone.
सर
नेक्स्ट में मैक्सिमम आओ अरे वो आओ तक सीरियस लगा दो वीडियो सबमिट
थैंक यू सर
डॉक्टर भार्गव फ्रॉम बैंकॉक
डॉक्टर भार्गव सम भार्गव प्लीज से अबाउट समथिंग याग्निक also સાથે સાથે
Thank you, Amit sir.
नेक्स्ट टाइम ओके अपनी पास 100 बराबर हमने प्लस करवाना है मेरा देखिए बराबर जो 99 हो गया 90 खाली कर बराबर जो है